Wow, it's a milk moon snail. Moon snail. Milk moon snail. Ano ba? Big kuya. Ayun, big baby oh. Wow, nice. Punto. Science mo. Punto. Wow. Wow, nice. Wow. That's our first find today. Our second find today. The small and that's the big one.
Look! This one!
Oh, wow, yan. Wow, that's right. Okay. Wow, galing ah.
But I like small cone shell.
Ayan po. Yun. Oh. Ayan. Siya rin. Painting sa tatay.
Look! Papa, baby!
Saan? Small? Wow, so tiny.
So tiny!